I guess in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen3.8 locally using Ollama. So if I go into this command prompt, now let's use their CLS. If I write there Ollama --version, so you can see 13.2.13 that install. If I write there pwsh --version, so 764 that install. So here you need to use this command Ollama run Qwen 3.8. So you need to use this command Ollama run Qwen 3.8 and now press enter. So this here you can see polling manifest, and here initially this is downloading the file. Okay, so 931 MB, and this will take here you can see this will take some times to complete this download. So this is the current speed. So Qwen 3.8, initially this downloaded there on 931 MB size of the file, and after that when that complete here 16 GB file, that's downloaded, and here this success. After that you can write any query there. So when I use again this command Ollama run Qwen 3.8, then if I press I, then this thinking and this are returning there. Now you can ask any query according to your requirements. So writing there what exactly generative AI. So this is my query. So message this is returning there, and this here you can also use this, or when you write this then you can directly move on to this place. You can write any query there. So this is how you can do the installation of Qwen 3.8 locally on your system by using the Ollama. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.